Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video I want to show you this little item that I have for sale on eBay, and of course there will be a link in the description below to check it out. But this is a little Black & Decker, either you call it a mini food chopper or food processor. This particular one is model, if I can find it, HMP30. So first I want to show you guys that it does work, no problems with it, and then we'll take it apart just to show all the different pieces that it has. So the little toggle switch on top in the center is off. You turn it this way, we'll turn it on. And back to off, and then the other side is pulsate. So as you can see, it works great. I'll show you all the different pieces and parts to it. So we have the little plunger, I guess you'd call it. Top cap. We have this blade here, and if you can look at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, it does say slice on this side, and then at the bottom there it says shred. If we can catch it in the light right. You can take my word for it if you didn't see it. And then we got the blade at the bottom, like blender blade. And this cup comes off. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.